it's Samantha Erica here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I cornrow my hair. I'm going to be cornrowing it in 2 cornrows going straight back. Straight back. Before I get started with this video, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that little bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So today I'm going to be working on stretched hair, and I prefer to cornrow my hair when it's stretched just because it's a lot easier for me to do. When my hair is super curly, it's hard for me to pull my fingers through my hair and cornrow it smoothly. So I prefer to have it stretched so it's not so tangled and it's easier for me to run my fingers through my hair. So the first step in cornrowing your hair is to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled, because it's very, very hard to braid. Because it's very, very hard to braid tangled hair. Okay guys, so this is where a braid actually turns into a cornrow. So as you continue to braid, you want to constantly add hair from the section you are braiding into the cornrow, because this is what is going to attach the braid to your scalp. So each time you pick up one of the 3 pieces of hair to braid, you have to gently pull hair from the parted section and add it in as you braid. And as you do this, you want to try and add the hair in evenly so that at the end your braid is going to have a uniform look. So try not to pick up a big piece one time and then right after pick up a large piece, because in the end your braid is going to end up looking bumpy. It's not going to look neat. So like I said, as you go along, you have to try and pick up the same amount of hair you did the last time. In other words, you have to try and keep the 3 sections of hair that you're using to braid around the same size. And if you are braiding on natural hair or you have really long hair, you're gonna find that you need to pull your fingers down through your hair to prevent it from tangling as you braid. If you continue to braid on your scalp without focusing on the ends of your hair, you're probably gonna be tangling the ends of your hair as you braid. So if you notice, as I pick up hair and add it into the section, I'm pulling my fingers down through my hair to make sure that I'm not creating any tangles at the end of my hair as I go. If you're braiding natural hair and it's not in a stretched state, you might actually find it helpful to keep a spray bottle of water nearby to help you detangle as you go. If you want, you can actually use a spray bottle with water and a leave-in conditioner, or a spray bottle with water and some sort of oil to help you detangle your hair as you go. So as you braid, if your ends are getting tangled, you can just spray it onto the ends of your hair and help you detangle so that it's easier to braid.